Welcome to Complete C# Programming Course, Beginner to Expert. This course has one goal, making you a rockstar software engineer with a mastery of the C# programming language. This course is aimed at equipping you with an arsenal of C# programming skills that you can use to land your first programming job, move to a more senior position at your current company, ace coding interviews at top tech companies like Google and Apple, or be able to build apps as a hobby in C#. Whatever your goals, this course is the only C# course you will need to master the language. If you're taking this course, you're probably aware that C# is a popular programming language and needs C# skills to build some sort of project or app that you want to work on. If you're a beginner coder, you may be on the fence about learning C#. Why should you learn C# and not another programming language? After all, there are a ton of other languages like Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. What makes C# so special? C# is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is powerful, flexible, and well supported. The C# programming language was created by Microsoft in 2001. Since then, it has grown in features and popularity. If you want a job in investment banking, mobile app development, web development, or game development, knowing C# and being able to demonstrate mastery of the language will open up doors for you. This course uses the C# programming language, but also teaches core computer science concepts. Not only will you gain expert knowledge of C#, you will also have a thorough understanding of data structures and algorithms, searching and sorting, and Gang of 4 design patterns. This course will help you ace interviews and land high-paying jobs. Let's take a moment to talk about the structure of this course. The course goes in order, building up from basic to intermediate and then advanced. Most sections of the course have a quiz at the end, and then a video explaining the answers to the quiz questions. At the end of this course, there are 6 real-world projects where you build apps and a video game using C# and absorbing all kinds of knowledge about industry software and key programming techniques. There is also a section in the course with a beginner, intermediate, and advanced C# quiz, a full-length practice test on C#, and several videos where I show you how to solve a bunch of potential interview questions and coding problems using C# and the techniques that you learned in this course. Some courses teach you theory, others teach you through hands-on projects. This course combines both approaches. This course has more practice material than most other C# courses on Udemy, with a quiz after most sections to test your C# knowledge, links to free online learning resources, and tons of videos that walk you through solving coding interview and challenge questions using the C# techniques you have learned. I made this course to be the only C# course you will ever need. A course that you could come back to and master the advanced techniques, and a course that you can pick and choose what you want to learn, based on your goals and interests. There is no filler material and no nonsense in this course. If I added a video or resource to this course, it is because I believe it to be important to your journey as a programmer. To truly reap the benefits of C# and become a master of the C# programming language, you should strive to complete as much of this course as you can. In this course, you will also build 6 full-length hands-on apps. You will use your C# skills to develop a web app using ASP.NET, a cross-platform mobile app using Xamarin, a database using Microsoft SQL Server and C#, a neural network AI program using C#, a machine learning program using ML.NET and C#, and a 3D video game using Unity and C#. I will walk you through building each of these projects step by step, so don't worry about getting overwhelmed or stuck. My students know that I break down the big concepts into digestible pieces of information that anyone can understand. Any questions that you have can be posted to the Q&A forum or message to me on Udemy. I check my Udemy account every day to see if students have questions and do my best to be as responsive and helpful as possible. If you get stuck at any point during this course, send me a message and I will get you unstuck. Welcome to the course, and let's get started.